हे एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द आईआईटी पॉडकास्ट। इस वीडियो में अपने दो दोस्तों के साथ बात करता हूँ जो दो अलग अलग जनरेशन के आईआईटी से हैं, और हम डिस्कस करते हैं अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस, आईआईटी में ज़्यादा टाइम क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया और क्या ध्यान रखना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स को अपने आईआईटी चूज़ करे टाइम। तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे देन प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो, और ऐसे और वीडियोज़ देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें। क्योंकि ये वीडियो काफ़ी लंबा था इसलिए मैंने इसको 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है। दिस इज़ पार्ट 3 ऑफ दैट वीडियो। लेट्स टॉक करिकुलर वर्सेस एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर। हाउ वर योर
Right.
experiences कि तुम where were you or where should a student be?
Um, like where was I? I was like 5%, 10%, 15 max percent in curricular. Ideally, it should be a lot more. मतलब uh, यार ऐसे बहुत ही ideally बोले तो ऐसे in a utopian world you should target for a very good CG. मतलब you might think कि तुम्हारे 10th 12th की परसेंटेज मैटर नहीं करते, बट इफ यू फिल अ कैट फॉर्म यू विल रियलाइज कि उसमें भी 10th 12th के परसेंटेज काउंट होते हैं. मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक कि तू पीछे छूट गया, इवन दो मतलब कॉलेज भी हो गया है, जॉब भी लग गई है, अब तक हमें 10 12 के परसेंटेज भी सर्कल बैक करना पड़ जाता है कई बार. सो योर कॉलेज की सीजी इज गोना स्टे विद यू फॉर लाइफ, एंड देयर इज अ गुड चांस कि दिस इज द ओनली डिग्री यू आर गोना डू. सो मतलब यू शुड ट्राई एटलीस्ट. ये मतलब देयर विल बी सीनियर्स जो कॉलेज जाने पर तुम्हें बोल देंगे लाइक टू दिस डे कि बोल देंगे कि सीजी मैटर नहीं करती, बट आई एम
हाँ,
टेलिंग यू, यू कैन राइट इट डाउन, इट मैटर्स एंड इट मैटर्स अ डैम लॉट. ठीक है. सो से यू शुड नॉट थिंक फॉर अ सेकंड कि तुम बिना सीजी के बहुत ही स्मूथ लाइफ निकल जाएगी. इफ यू मतलब यार ये यू विल नॉट रियलाइज कि कितने ज्यादा रोड ब्लॉक्स आते हैं. मतलब इफ यू डू नॉट हैव अ गुड सीजी, मतलब तुम लेट्स से एक्स्ट्रा करिक्स की मैं बात भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बहुत सारी कंपनीज तुम्हें you'll they'll not allow you to sit for their exam. मतलब इट डज नॉट मैटर कि तुम कितने जीनियस हो, वो तुम्हें पेपर देने ही नहीं देंगी. तो मतलब
हाँ,
you'll never have a chance to prove yourself.
वो क्राइटेरिया होता है कुछ कि 7+ या 8+ चाहिए हमको,
हाँ.
तभी आपको दे देंगे।
हाँ. मतलब लाइक 7 तो ऐसा बेयर मिनिमम होता है बहुत सारी कंपनीज का. 8 होता है बहुत सारी कंसल्टिंग कंपनीज का. इवन दे डोंट राइट इट, इवन इफ दे डोंट राइट इट इन देयर like in their notification form, they'll not shortlist you. So
They won't shortlist you.
they won't shortlist you. And, like I was not selected by any of the consulting firm. I was 7.4 at the time. I'm still 7.4. I was not selected even by a single consulting. And I had decent extracurriculars. Like it was both. It was a lot of clubs. It was PORs, like, and sports. Like I had points in all these three, and yet I was not selected. I'm not saying that I had the best points in all these three, but I knew I was not going to be shortlisted just because of the CGO. So that's a very important point. You should definitely pay a lot of attention to the academics, even though you're as less interested as me. Other than this, मैं ये पॉइंट आउट करना चाहूंगा कि इट डज नॉट मैटर कि तुम्हें अकेड्स में कितना एक्सेल करना है. यू विल हैव इनफ टाइम फॉर रिमेनिंग थिंग्स, फॉर एक्स्ट्रा करिक्स. मतलब इफ यू आर टेलिंग मी कि मैं इतना पढ़ता हूँ कि दैट आई डू नॉट हैव टाइम फॉर प्लेइंग वन स्पोर्ट एवरी डे, यू आर लाइंग टू योर सेल्फ. मतलब आई हैव सीन पीपल जो acads में they are a 9 pointer and they play 3 to 4 sports, and they are at a position of responsibility, and they are part of 2 clubs. मैंने ऐसे भी लोग देखे. I'm not saying कि you have to aim for that, but if a person can do that, what you can do at the very least is play a sport a day, or join a club जिसमें तुम ऐसे devoted हो. मतलब at least pick one thing. You have to pick one thing.
So I think Mithul has set a very good stage for my story. So I'll start with how it went for me. So first semester I came in, JEE से मन उड़ गया था. Basically पढ़ने से मन उड़ गया था कि हाँ चलो JEE दे लिया. Now I have college. I'll relax. I won't put my efforts into academics now. So I started exploring. In my first semester, I remember, I think I was part of 6 clubs. That reduced down to 2 by the end of first year, that is like second semester, because I sorted my priorities, where I want to devote, where I don't want to devote. But first semester, 6 clubs, and then I'm working for festivals. I'm working for several mini festivals that keep happening, club events that keep happening throughout the year. And at that point, I slipped my academics. I slipped so bad that first semester, I think I got my CGPA as 7.4, right? second semester I thought ki yaar, is there something different, is there something that I am unable to do, maybe that is why I got such a low score. I tried retrospecting. So I tried, reducing my number of hours that I used to spend in clubs or in organization activities, and dedicating more that to academics. And it did help. Next semester I got 8.9, right? So that did boosted our confidence. Third semester I was very confident that I can balance both. What I'm trying to say here is, some things you have to experiment and find yourself, right? Sometimes you'll have to push yourself कि मैं एकेडमिक्स भी कर सकता है, मैं जाके क्लब भी कर सकता है, मैं एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इवेंट भी कर सकता है, I can run a whole marketing campaign for the upcoming fest. I can do all of this. And trust me, third semester my pointer was 9.6. Fourth semester I had a 10 pointer. Okay, and I was doing all of this, like a club. I was part of two clubs. I was in organizational activities. I did a lot alumni interactions with काफी involved रहा. Our ESL, I was quite active there. All of that alongside with academics. If someone who scored 7.4 in their first semester can do it, I think everybody can do it. And given what Mitchell said कि like एक दिन पढ़ के भी आता है, right? But वो एक दिन तुमको plan करना पड़ेगा. That is what you learn in college, and that is what you learn by experimentation. Is what well works for you. तुमको एक हफ्ता पहले से पढ़ के होता है या तुमको एक दिन पहले से पढ़ के होता है. I've seen people जो आधे घंटे पहले they come to my room and ask यार कुछ important बता दे. I give them a quick revision and they score good. I'm not saying they do score like 24 or 25 out of 30, but they score decent. They score 15 or 18 out of 30. That works from them. That floats their boat, right? And given they have only spent like an hour a night before and an hour revising it with me, I think that is more than enough for them, like from their perspective or from their goal. So if you can manage things better, and that is something that you learn in college, so that is something you should look out for. Like that is the balance you need to maintain between curricular and extra.
So my time at Palakkad showed me one thing, that the new college, if you're in new college, where it kind of pushes you towards academics. बहुत ज़्यादा academics की तरफ push कर देती बहुत. You have a lot of competition between the students that exist already there. लेकिन मैं बैच एक्स्ट्रा करने वाले कुछ स्टूडेंट नहीं थे जो खेल स्पोर्ट्स खेलेंगे या ड्रामा करेंगे. There were most of them students, 70% students जो पढ़ाई करने वाले students हैं. So when 70% is studying and you're not doing as much, you're going to fall behind. So when I came in, I was not that much. I was like थोड़ी पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं. At that time my CGPA was around 7.5. I was like, okay. Second year के time पे I was very much active into music club, drama club, design club and all that. My GPA came down to 6.5. Not gonna lie, 6.5. तब से नीचे आया. Even like it went below 6 at one point. So I was like, okay, I have to take control, and I had to leave my clubs for a while. मैं किसी क्लब का पार्ट नहीं था for a time, which kind of brought me back up to a point where during my fourth year, I was doing enough work and I was doing enough project कि मेरा एक research paper निकल गया and मेरा GPA 9 हो गया. So I had to leave everything, all of my clubs and everything behind to achieve a 9-pointer. So this is kind of what I think in new IITs you have to. It is a bit difficult to balance it out because the students there, like first of all, उतना होता भी नहीं चीज कि तुम क्या कर लोगे. Your curricular activities, curricular resources are good. So in that way, my experience was that कि मुझे पढ़ाई पे इतने ध्यान देना पड़ा that I have to leave everything out. I learned to play the guitar. I had to stop playing the guitar. I was good at acting. I had to leave acting. I had to leave all those things to achieve a good GPA. In the end, of course, it paid off. I had a research paper in my name. But that is what I experienced at my IIT.
Right.
I'd like to sum it up मतलब in a way कि मतलब maybe I realized it a bit late, but time management is the key. मतलब there will be a lot of people saying that, but it's easier said than done. Also मतलब if you manage it perfectly, you can manage both of these things very well. Also एक थोड़ा different चीज मैं बोलना चाहूंगा, मतलब if you're trying, तुम अकेड्स में इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड और फिर भी तुम मतलब पढ़ भी रहे हो और उतने नंबर नहीं आ रहे हैं जितना तुम लाना चाहते हो, मतलब आई हैव सीन पीपल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस, बट आई वुड लाइक टू से इफ यू आर ऑनेस्ट टू योरसेल्फ और तुम जितना एफर्ट दे रहे हो, जितना दे सकते हो उतना दे रहे हो, आई डोंट थिंक यू शुड गो दैट वे. मतलब like it's not the goal कि ऐसे 9 pointer ही चाहिए तुम्हें आगे excel करने के लिए. I have seen people जिनकी 6 point something CG थी and they are doing way better than me right now. So not at all saying कि CG is not important, but if you are giving your best, I don't think it's, and still you're not getting a good CG, I don't think it's the end of the world.
I think like I'll carry that with an example. So there's a senior of mine that I know from IIT Kharagpur. So he has a CG of 6.4. He is an avid cricket player. He has spent his college life playing cricket, as he puts it. But then at this moment, he I think is in Arizona. He's doing his masters from there in business analytics. So that tells you that someone from a 6 pointer going for a masters, which is heavily academically dominated, where the first check they will do is your CGPA. If he can convince that university that I am worth it, so you can do it too. You just have to find the right mix that works with
मैंने किया है. Like मेरा last
you.
semester में ही अच्छा GPA था मेरा. उससे पहले अच्छा नहीं था. But still like I somehow convinced him. I was in, मैंने ये भी लिखा था कि I am in process of writing a paper right now. So that kind of worked out for me.
So you
Right.
very well know कि कितना difficult होता है, because CG के बिना it's you have to put in extra effort. और तुम्हें
Of course. GPA अच्छा है तो of course like it's like a doorway. GPA अच्छा है, चलो it's all he has already passed the stage. अब देखते हैं आगे क्या है. If you कुछ ऐसा है जैसे USC है. USC looks कि तुम्हारा GPA 8.5 से ऊपर है क्या. नहीं है तो फिर तो हटाए छोड़ देते, पढ़ते भी नहीं, छोड़ देते. 8.5 अच्छा ठीक है, अब पढ़ते हैं आगे क्या और है. That's the some universities are of that kind. सीधे GPA देख के छोड़ देंगे.
similar is for companies, a lot of companies. तो CV ऐसे
A
नीचे
lot of
देखेंगे नहीं इससे. Yeah.
like, as Mitul said, right? Even if written, अगर कोई gate नहीं होगा, अगर 7 pointer written है, and you're like, okay, चलो, I have 7.5, I think I'll be able to shortlist it. But they won't shortlist it. It will come to you as a shock कि सारे 8.5 CGPA के ऊपर वालों को shortlist किया, मेरे को क्यों नहीं shortlist किया? It will come to you as a shock, and at a period probably जहाँ पे placement का season होगा या internship का season होगा, जहाँ पे you're already under stress, so it will come as a major shock, and that can वो होता है ना पैरों तले जमीन खिसक जाना. It sometimes has happened to people. I've seen people break down, but the core motive is if you're prepared for it, if you know that this is going to happen, or if you can manage at that point of time, you can pull yourself through. A very close friend of mine who was my roommate in first year, he could not try his best in academics because उसको पहले से machine learning, computer vision में interested था. He has 2 papers at the moment on his name, but he could not do it properly in academics. So he was slipping away every role that was being offered through campus placement. He was on the verge of breaking down day 2, like if you are aware of placement. So there are days, like companies come in slots in days. So day 2, he's at, I think it was 12 at the night. We took food from him, took food for him, जहाँ पे interviews चल रहे थे, and he's like, yeah, dude, अब नहीं होगा तो I'm dropping off. Maybe I'll try, I'll start preparing for GRE. And that 1 hour later he calls us and tells us कि हो गया यार, मैंने अपने computer vision के projects दिखा दिए, and वो interviewer impressed था मुझसे. Like he did not even ask my CV, he did not even ask how I did it. I just showed him my projects. He was impressed by it. That is like, again,
What are your views on branch change? बहुत बोलते हैं फर्स्ट टाइम में ब्रांच चेंज कर लेना.
So branch change is something I think everybody must have thought of branch change when they came, unless you're someone in CS or probably electrical who would not. Even I've seen people in electrical who wanted to change branch to CS. CS ही चाहिए.
Because why not?
Because why not also?
Dude.
Right.
There is one of my classmates who changed his branch from electrical to civil. I was like,
Oh, like, okay.
Yeah, we call it rolling back, but okay.
Rolling back, I think it's very rare. It's like once in a blue moon, but hota hai, like you gave the example right now. But yeah, branching is simple. Like you have to get a certain criteria. Like for us, it was top 10 percentile of the entire first year. Right?
same.
If you're in the top 10 percentile of the entire first year, you get to choose your branch, and then you'll be graded according to, relatively according to how you stand throughout. That like everybody was enthusiastic. But as I said, मेरा first semester में ही 7.4 आया, तो I ruled out that possibility way early in life, way early in my college. But I was happy. I was happy that now I know what to focus on, at least like a part of it, not entirely, but a part of it. So that is how it worked for me. That is the thoughts I have about branching.
I'll certainly say that it's doable. But again, yeah, मतलब having the motivation is not enough. मतलब मुझे अपनी branch पसंद नहीं थी and I really wanted to change my branch, but I did not study for it at all. ठीक है. Uh, like मेरे ही branch में there were 105 students and 10 of them changed their branch. ठीक है, lucky them. So it's definitely doable. और ऐसे it's not ऐसे मतलब you don't have to get a perfect CG. मतलब I think हमारी branch में people change their branch. It varies every year, and in our college it varies for every branch. I'm not sure if it's 10 top 10 percentile. I don't think it is. It is something a little bit more complicated than this. But if you can, I mean, getting a CG9 is doable, right? So and it pays off. मतलब because वो ब्रांच लेने के लिए लोग कोचिंग पढ़े थे और दे गॉट सिग्निफिकेंटली बेटर रैंक देन यू, और तुम्हें कॉलेज में थोड़ा सा बेटर पढ़ के मतलब विच यू शुड बी डूइंग एनीवे, तुम्हें अपना बेस्ट देना ही चाहिए था एकेडमिक्स में फर्स्ट ईयर, क्या तुम्हें यू शुड गिव योर बेस्ट ऑल 4 years, और तुम्हें एक एडिशनल विंडो मिल रहा है लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर में थोड़ा सा बेटर पढ़ के इट्स गिविंग एन एडिशनल एडवांटेज कि तुम्हें ब्रांच चेंज करने के मिल रहा है, तो आई मीन देयर इज नो रीजन व्हाई यू शुडंट डू इट, बट यू विल हैव टू वर्क वेरी हार्ड फॉर इट. मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर में बिकॉज मतलब हर uh, बंदा वो ब्रांच चेंज करना चाहता होगा, और like a lot of people will be actually studying for it, so it will not be easy, it will definitely not be easy, but it's definitely doable because इससे सिर्फ दो चार लोग की ब्रांच चेंज नहीं होती है, बहुत सारे लोग की ब्रांच चेंज होती है. लाइक आई थिंक इफ आई हैड टू गेस लाइक मोर देन 50 स्टूडेंट्स की ब्रांच चेंज होती है आउट ऑफ 850 बैच. ठीक है, so that's certainly doable. You have beaten much worse odds in your JE, so this is certainly doable.
So finally, any advice for future aspirants while choosing the college?
Like as Pratik was saying, one thing that most people miss out on is talking to someone who just graduated from college. I think he's the best person to ask that. मतलब, if you are if you are deciding on to go to a college to a particular branch, मतलब लिंक्डइन पे फेसबुक पे आई डोंट केयर कहाँ ढूंढो, बट या फिर मतलब बेस्ट वे तो होगा कि कॉलेज का कोई भी इंसान ढूंढ लो और उससे उसके कोई सीनियर का कांटेक्ट ले लो, एंड ही विल बी द बेस्ट पर्सन टू एडवाइस यू वेदर यू शुड और यू शुड नॉट टेक इट. बिकॉज मतलब बाहर से देखना और अंदर से एक्सपीरियंस करने में बहुत फर्क होता है, एंड और देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स जो फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड इवन मतलब फोर्थ ईयर की स्टार्टिंग में भी नहीं पता होती हैं. समवन हु जस्ट ग्रेजुएटेड इज द बेस्ट पर्सन.
I think like we have been giving ideas to the future aspirants all throughout the video. Summing up, I would say like this one thing that I realized a bit late in college, but thankfully I did, is to keep every channel open. If you go into college with a shut mind, कि maybe I'm here just to do this, probably you'll never figure out कि यार मैं कुछ और अच्छा कर सकता था. Maybe this was never my passion. My passion was something else that I did not even pick up. Right. So things like my experience in college, the circle I made, the people I met, or whatever I did has somehow taught me कि, you should always keep your options open. Never shut yourself, never settle down. Just be there with an open mind कि हाँ सुनो, does this make sense? Is it doable? And if it is doable, then can I put in the amount of work? As Mithul said, right? Sirf motivation se hota nahi. Like if you think that you want to change, but you won't study for it, it won't happen. Right? So these three checks, pass these three checks, and then ask yourself, should you pursue this? Once you have made up your mind, I don't think there is anything that is going to, hold you back. And if that is the trajectory you take, I think you'll be successful. That is what my philosophy of looking at life is.
So thank you guys so much for your insights and all of your experiences. I think that this will be very helpful for all the aspirants who are now going to join IITs. So thank you again. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
for
you for
having
having
us.
us, Anish.